10,000 feet, descent check.
Descent check, okay. APU is on and available. Bleeds changing over. Flight attendant, prepare for landing. Seatbelt sign on, and thrust reversers are armed. Descent check. Altimeters.
3012, set left and center.
3012, right and cross checked. Fuel.
1,000 pounds and balanced.
Lights are on. Pressurization is set. Landing data and speeds are reviewed and set. And seatbelt and shoulder harnesses.
Fastened.
And fastened. Descent check complete. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get ATIS at Salt Lake. We have information Yankee. I'm gonna put in our landing data and speeds.
Prepare for localizer approach, runway 34 right.
Localizer runway 34 right at Salt Lake. I'm gonna go ahead and put in 109.5 in your backup for nav1 for the localizer, and bearing of 344 to intercept. I'm gonna go ahead and put our MDA of 4,700 in. Program the FMS. You're talking to Salt Lake approach right now. I'll put tower in your backup for COM 1.
All right, I have flight control, or you have flight controls.
My controls.
You have flight controls. And I'm going to go ahead and brief the approach. We'll be doing localizer approach for runway 34 right into Salt Lake International. You've set the localizer frequency 109.5. Approach course of 344 is set. Our missed approach today is going to be to climb to 9,000 direct to the Wasatch VOR, then on Wasatch radial 331 to Ogden for attack and hold. We have all of our frequencies set. We've already got ATIS. We're talking with approach, and we have tower and standby. Our final approach fix for today is Cheval at 6,100 feet, and our minimums are 4,700 feet and 2,400 RVR, which have been set. ATC has been informed that we lost an engine, so they've given us priority to land. We have full-length landing on runway 34 right approved. We'll be expecting to get off and turn left onto hotel and taxi back to the terminal area. Any questions?
Nope.
All right, I have flight controls.
Your controls.
All right, cleared for the approach, flaps 8, and approach check.
Flaps 8, turning left and right landing light on, and approach check. Bleeds are on APU, thrust reversers are armed and indicated, seatbelt sign is on, flight attendant has been notified, approach briefing.
Has been completed.
Nav aids.
Are tuned and identified.
Tuned and identified. CAS is checked.
And cleared.
Approach check complete. All right, localizer alive. Localizer intercepted.
Verified. And gear down, flaps 20 and before landing check.
Gear down, flaps 20, notifying flight attendant. All right, before landing check, landing gear.
Down 3 green.
And verified. Flight attendant has been notified. Landing lights are on. Flight spoilers are retracted. Flaps are 20 degrees and indicated. Before landing check complete.
Set MDA.
Setting MDA. Marker inbound. 1,000 feet above MDA. And 500 feet above MDA and cleared to land. Landing light on.
Cleared to land.
100 feet above MDA. And minimums, no runway in sight.
Missed approach, set thrust and flaps 8.
Thrust set, flaps 8. Positive rate.
Gear up.
Gear up.
Speed mode, bug V2.
Speed mode, bugging V2. 400 feet.
Heading mode, half bank.
Heading mode, half bank.
Autopilot on.
Autopilot on. And acceleration altitude.
Altitude hold.
Altitude hold. V2 plus 20.
Flaps up.
Flaps up. And VFTO.
Speed mode, half bank off, and set MCT.
Half bank off. Thrust set.
1,500 feet.
All right, 1,500 feet. I'm gonna go ahead and do fuel cross flow is on auto. Bleeds change over. APU off. Landing lights off. Climb thrust has been set and thrust reversers are off.
10,000 feet, climb check.
All right, notifying flight attendant, seat belts, and climb check. Landing gears up, flaps are up, climb thrust is set, fuel cross flow is on auto, bleeds and packs are on, pressurization checked, thrust reversers are off, seatbelt sign is on, and flight attendant has been notified. Climb check complete.
Cool.
Cool, that's it.